Hello, ma'am. Good evening. So today I'm going to discuss my art, activity one, which is the mini assistant PA for the bots. So here I'm what I choose for the futures. The three one is the greeting bot, two is the calculator, and the third is the age calculator. So first we have the import date time. This will be used at the age calculator. So I will explain later on that part. So first we have the greeting bot. This is just a comment. So here we have the variable name, and then input. What is your name? Uh, can be a number or anything characters, and then it will print hello. The name input that you have been uh, type, and then it will print a hello. For example, prints nice to meet you like that. And then here we have the calculator or the simple calculator. Uh, the try function is it can do a task though even if it's error. So if it's error, and then it will just say the except which is the error, and then it will say error, please enter valid numbers, and then it will try go back here again to the try, which is the num1 variable, and then the float. This one float. Uh, this can be used for anything like numbers or integers. If you put a variable var characters, it will error, and then it will say uh, please enter valid numbers. Same for the num2. Here we have the operation, right? And then it will input what type of operation that you want to use. So if operation, now we have to use the if else function. If operation plus, and then it will result uh, type input 1 and num1 and 2 plus, and then it will print the result num1 plus num2 equals the result. uh, there the concept of the elif of the other elif, which is the minus times and divide, they are the same. The only things that are not that are different are the operation that has been assigned. So when it comes to divide, if you put a number 0, it will print the error cannot be divided by 0, which is true. Else, it will divide the two numbers, and then it will result like this. So else the invalid operation please use, which is the if you put numbers or anything var characters that are not corresponding to this for operational, it will error. So here we have the age calculator, the last for the for my future. So here we have the try again, or the try function. Here we have my variable name, which is the birth year. Int int, it is an integer, so it is just the same for the float. The float is it can be put integer but with a dot, which is the decimal. For the integer, there is no uh, decimal. Those are the difference. So here, input the birth year, and then the current year, which is date time. We have import the date time, uh, and then for this one, date time dot now, which is the date time for the day, and then the that year. We put this year so that it will only get the year today. So here we have the age, and then it will minus uh, subtract the current year and the birth year, and I will print UR, which is the subtract of both the current year and the birth years old. And then if it's error, it will say error, please enter valid year. So here we have the main menu, which is the our main display. This one is just styling, which is it will print this one 40 times because it has been uh, multiplied by 40. And the mini assistant and greeting was simple age exit. Then you have the def main right here. This is a loop where if you finish the one, for example one, if you finish put your name and then it will say the name and then it will loop back here and then you pick another number you there. If you pick the four, it will exit the program. If you pick more than four or like five, it will say invalid choice and then it will try again. That's all, ma'am. I Before that, I will show you a demonstration of the code or the activity. So here, as you can see, we have the main display, which is this one. So if I press one, which is built-in bot, so I will import Prince. It will say, "Hello Prince, nice to meet you." So if I press 5, it will just say invalid choice and then it will go back. If I press 2, which is the simple calculator, enter the first number, 2 number, and then if we choose the plus, it will add 10. If it's 3, so if we do it again, if we do it 2 and then 0, we use the divide, it will say cannot be divided by 0. So for 3, which is the age calculator, I will enter my birthday 2000 and then it will automatically say you're 25 years old. So if I press 4, it will exit the terminal. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Adios.